Welcome to Best by New Invention Gadgets. Today video about new Doogee S98 rugged smartphone. Doogee has announced the launch of a new rugged smartphone to its S line. The Doogee S98 has a dual screen design with a spherical smart rear screen that is unique. Checking the clock, controlling music, and checking the battery level are all common purposes. The new S98 will be powered by MediaTek's 2.05 GHz Helio G96 SoC. As standard, the octa-core processor comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. A micro SD card can be used to expand storage. Because the MediaTek G96 is built for gaming, expect quick performance. The 16MP front camera, housed in a little punch hole on the top of the phone. A 64MP main sensor is paired with a 20MP night vision camera and an 8MP wide-angle camera on the back. Because it allows you to snap images and films in complete darkness, night vision is a modest revolution on a smartphone. The S98 will include a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus LCD with Gorilla Glass protection and a 409 ppi pixel density. The device is powered by a 6,000 mAh battery that can be charged using the accompanying 33W fast charger. A 15W wireless charger is also supported by the Doogee S98. The Doogee S98 will come with Android 12 pre-installed, and the company promises at least 3 years of security and Android version updates. The S98 is rated IP68 IP69K. This means you can take a shower or talk on the phone while bathing. It's also MIL STD A10G certified, indicating that it should work under any weather situations. In a nutshell, a phone that can resist any scenario. NFC, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and a side fingerprint sensor are among the additional features. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need